Hi friends and fam, I'm Ting. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing another makeup video because I'm not going anywhere yet. So, yeah, I do my makeup every day, so I figure maybe, yeah, I'll just do another makeup video. I have a pretty set skincare routine, so I just use the same thing most of the time. So, here is the Clinique Dramatic Different Moisturizing Gel. Remember, we used the gel, not the lotion. If you have really dry skin, you can definitely use the lotion because the lotion is not oil-free, and that might be better for your skin. This is the L'Oreal Magic LUMI Light Infusing Primer. So we're just gonna squeeze that on our face. It's like pretty and liquidy for a primer in my opinion. So I just don't put way too much on. A little bit goes a long way. As you can tell, it's like dripping down my face. And we're gonna prime our eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is like magic. You put it on your hand and it just focuses. I wonder who figured that out. Yeah. Why does this keep not focusing on my face? Okay. Anyways, so now we're gonna do our brows. Same thing. I do Too Faced the brow quickie first, and then just kind of going. Hello, focus on me. Okay.
You can see a significant difference already between this one and that one. Look. Oh my god, it's crazy. Magic. So they're both gelled now, and I use the Anastasia, I don't know, someone says Anastasia, I want to say Anastasia, whatever, it's fine.
Here's what a brow kind of looks like, and we're just gonna go in with, I use the Maybelline FIT ME Dewy and Smooth Foundation in the shade 130. We're just gonna go in, and there is usually some product in the cap, so that's where I kind of like take my product to do my eyebrows from, because, you know, you can't waste, you know, it's all money. I just wanna... Hello, I'm back! Both brows are done, and this is just something fun. So I got these a year and a half ago. I'm really bad at throwing makeup out. Like, you know, I just don't really, but whatever. It's fine. So I got these in a Nordstrom rack. It's a set. It's the Smashbox Brow Tech Highlight Stick and the Tech Gloss Stick. So it makes your brows have like a different texture. So the top one is the shimmer, and the bottom one is like a gloss stick. I don't use the bottom one very often because it makes my brows look oily. My hair looks oily sometimes already. My brows don't need to look that way. So I don't really use that. But the brow shimmer is like really cool. It's like this little gold stick kind of thing, you know, for your brows. So I just rub that in the big, like the front end, I guess that's what you call it, the front end of your brow, and then it gives like your brow like this shimmer, kind of like bright, very like summery, glowy look. I don't know, I think it's fun. So yeah, I do that. That's that. Okay, so now we're all done with brows. You know what time it is? It is time to cover up my sad dark circles again. So we're gonna go in with the Maybelline FIT ME Concealer in shade 20. Again, I talked about it in the last video. You can't see because this lighting is good. I finally got that figured out. My under eye area are purplish. So I go in with a yellow toned concealer, so it, you know, complementary color, it like works out that way for me. Whew. Oh, so if you are someone who has green undertone dark circles, this erase paste from Benefit is really a good concealer to fix that. But that is definitely a red undertone, as you can tell. comparing to my concealer, which is a yellow undertone. So today we're going with the Makeup Geek. Where is my box? Manny MUA palette. Manny MUA is a super cool YouTube beauty blogger, and he just started his own brand. I think it's called Luna Cosmetics, something like that. This is Manny MUA's collab with Makeup Geek. It was $45 and it was out of stock for a long time. I'm pretty sure it's back in stock. So, $45 for 9 color, which could be kind of expensive, but all the colors are, oh lord, really versatile, and you can create a lot of different looks, and these colors really work anyone's skin tone. I need to stop saying whatever, but yeah, and the pans are really, really big. So we're going to go in with this color right here. Beaches and creams. Bitches and creams. Okay. No. Adult language. Beaches and cream as our base color. We're going with the color right here called Cosmopolitan. It's like an orangey shimmer color. And we're gonna dip in. It's very pigmented. So a little goes a long. Oh, look at that. A little goes a long way.
Yes. You like won't see any cut crease look from me really because I have like the puffy Asian eye even though I'm not monoid. So cut crease requires like a large, in my opinion, for cut crease to look really, really like smashing. It requires like a larger area to work with because I can cut my crease, but like it will just end right here, and then it just goes in. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, you won't see a lot of cut crease video, if any, from me, because that's not really my style of look. I will definitely try it sometimes just to see how it looks, but
going with a tiny brush and dipping this nice maroon color here called Mars. Maroon is my favorite color, maroon and gold. Brush, and then dipping this chrome color here called Insomnia. Ah, that's me. Yeah, I don't sleep very well. And then look at that. Oh, see that? Okay.
this is why I don't do my foundation before I do my makeup. A lot of the very pigmented powders on powder palette have really, like, they're very pigmented. I love them, but like sometimes they fall out, or maybe sometimes I accidentally take too much on my makeup brush, and then it just falls like all around my under eye area.
I'm gonna take this teeny tiny brush that I don't know where I got from. Oh, all my other brushes are BH Cosmetic. It's a set. I am sorry, I forgot to include that last time too. This is a weird little brush that I don't remember where I got from. We're gonna dip into the color Artemis, something like that. It's like the bright cream shimmer color, and then just going to the corner of your eye and just brighten it up a little bit. Shine, shimmer, hoo-hoo, okay. If you know me, you know what the next step is. To line your waterline, to line your freaking waterline is so important. You should, I don't know, look into it. And also, like, when you look at some people's eyeliner, there's a gap between their eyeliner and their lash line. But if you line your waterline all the time, it just doesn't happen. Oh my god, look at that. Look at this eye. Look at this eye. Gingerbread cookie palette. It came out of the Grand Hotel collection. It was the Christmas collection from 2 years ago. Or a year and a half ago, I can't remember. And this has my absolutely favorite shadow of all time. It's called Ginger Snap. It's this gold foil color. It's amazing.
Going with that tiny brush that I don't know where I got from, and just dip it in and pack it on. Look at this. Woohoo! And then we're just gonna go into our under eye and just add some shine. We're gonna do a flat wing today, just because I feel like it. So what you want to do is drag a line out from your outer corner, and that line should be straight, no matter which direction you're going. Like, no curve to it, just like a straight line. like however long you want the line to be. And then I start drawing tiny lines along my lash line, like just very, very slowly. Okay, and you see there's that gap. And then what you want to do is drag a line to connect that and kind of like the corner of the other line that you just drew. And then if there's any missing pieces, like this does now, just fill it in and drag it a little longer. Ta-da!
Honestly, what are concealer brushes and concealer slash foundation for? To fix things. So if you fuck up or don't like the liner that you drew, just, go in with a little bit of foundation and then cover it up to however you want it. It's not really a big deal. Ta-da! Look at that! It's shorter now. Okay. That's an eyeliner. I'm gonna do the other eye entirely off camera because we're running out of time. Okay, I am back. And both of the eyes are done. And now we're gonna dip into foundation. Focus on me. On me. What attention though. Today we're gonna go in with the Innisfree mineral powder. It is a Korean brand, Innisfree. I really like their stuff, and a lot of them are very lightweight, just because that's kind of like the trend for Asian makeup. I'm gonna go in with blush. Today we're gonna be using the Tarte Ravish Armenian Clay 12-hour blush. I don't know if it's 12 hour because I never really keep my makeup on for more than 12 hours.
I'm gonna take this tiny blush brush from the Beach Cosmetics set and just go in. I am a very light blush person. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. I can't really see. Okay, you can see a little bit. Ta-da! I'm done. I'm gonna go in with the highlight.
It is the True Match LUMI Liquid Glow Illuminator. I used it with my foundation the other day, but today I just did a plain foundation routine. But anyways, a couple. Oh, big dot. Okay, that's all we need. I'm gonna do a light nose contour. This has some of the Benefit Hoola bronzer. My Benefit Hoola bronzer. We're gonna curl our eyelashes. We're going with the Benefit Roller Lash. I don't do my lower lashes because sometimes they get stuck with my top lashes and it just makes my eyes uncomfortable all day. So, but you're 100% encouraged to do your lower lashes. Mine are long enough to like stick out. So they get stuck. It's like, ugh.
And then we're gonna exfoliate our lips with the very used Lush Mint Julep. It's my favorite flavor. I have not tried all the other flavors. I've tried honey. I didn't like that. I love honey. Like, I'll eat honey out of the jar. But that didn't taste like honey. It kind of tastes like soap. Hell yeah. Mint julep. We're gonna go in with this. What even is it? I don't remember. I think it's a Revlon. Yeah, it's a Revlon Color Burst Balm Stain in the color 040 Romantic. It's kind of like a lip balm. It's like glossy sheer.
Gonna go in with the NYX 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 matte finish spray. There you go. Spray away. Okay, so the look is done. I'm gonna go dry my hair. So